Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help best protein powder for old man. Start by calculating daily protein needs, review medical conditions, and note digestive sensitivities. Consider goals like strength, weight maintenance, or recovery. Track protein intake from foods first and plan powder to fill gaps. Prioritize easier-to-digest formulas, moderate calories, and clear ingredient lists. Keep servings reasonable and spread protein across meals for steady absorption and benefit. Compare whey isolate, micellar casein, and plant blends based on digestion, amino profile, and taste. Whey isolate offers rapid amino delivery and high leucine per serving for muscle maintenance. Casein digests slower and supports overnight recovery. Pea and rice blends suit those avoiding dairy or with allergies, but check combined amino scores. Always read labels for protein per scoop, added sugars, and serving size to match daily targets efficiently and safely. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: on another note, life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for lasting comfort during training and daily walks. I link that sock pic in the description along with discount info and other deals you might like. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Focus on practical habits that make long-term use easy and effective. Measure scoops to deliver about 20 to 30 grams of protein per serving and monitor overall daily intake. Prefer low-sugar mixes and simple ingredient lists to reduce GI upset and calories. Rotate flavors or brands to avoid taste fatigue and test half servings first. Combine powder with light snacks or milk alternatives if extra calories or texture are desired for adherence.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.